Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome to the next lesson in the Spanish Masterclass. Today we're going to talk about three golden questions, right? First, let me explain what I mean by a golden question. A golden question is a question that has potentially infinite answers, okay? It's golden because of like the golden spiral. You've seen that, like the shell, like nature's thing. Creates infinite things, that pattern. Some questions are not golden, right? Because there's only one answer. So if you ask me, ¿Cómo te llamas? Right? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? My answer is, Me llamo Tony, right? I could ask you, ¿Cómo te llamas? And you'll just say, oh, me llamo, and then your name, right? There's only one answer for that, right? If I say, where are you from? If you say, sorry, ¿de dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? I'll say, soy de Chicago, or soy de here, right? Where were you born? Where did you grow up? There's only one answer for that, right? There's not infinite answers. Other questions have virtually infinite answers, yeah? For example, how are you? You could say, estoy bien, ¿cómo estás? We've done this. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien. Estoy this way, estoy that way. Happy, sad. ChatGPT can help you fill in the blank. I'm just giving you the template here. Three golden questions today, here on the screen. ¿Cómo estás? Or ¿Cómo está usted? Right? The polite form. In any case, ¿Cómo estás? I'm going to say estoy bien. Okay? So you'll want to try that out on someone. If you ask someone ¿Cómo estás? See what they say. See if they say bien, or estoy bien, right? Or they might say estoy muy bien. Estoy muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú cómo estás? This is the practice. This back and forth practice. I know I can't see you right now, but you gotta, and you can't talk to me. But this is the back and forth game where someone goes, okay, ¿cómo estás? And you gotta go, bien. You want reflex. Big mantra in this method is reflex, not recall. You're not here to memorize words. You're here to respond to questions and ask questions of your own. Estoy muy bien, gracias. Ask ChatGPT to fill in the blank for you. Estoy, and then whatever you want. There's not that many answers anyway. It's either good or, Second golden question, where are you? Switch out como for donde, right? Donde estás? And yeah, there is the, está usted. You use that with like people you don't know or people you're trying to be like more polite with. In any case, ¿dónde estás? ¿Dónde estás? Ask me where I am. I'll say estoy en casa. Estoy en Chicago. Estoy en Nueva York. Estoy en Alabama. Estoy en California. Estoy en Alemania. Estoy en Londres. Estoy en Japón. Estoy en China. And finally, guys, ¿qué? ¿Qué? What? ¿Qué? What are you? How are you? Where are you? What are you doing? Say it with me. ¿Qué estás haciendo? Polite form would be ¿Qué está haciendo usted? The word usted is the polite form of you. So, ¿qué está haciendo usted? Or, nice and friendly terms here, we say, ¿Qué estás haciendo? Ask me, Tony, ¿qué estás haciendo? You say, oh, estoy... I'm making a video. Estoy haciendo, doing, making, same verb. Estoy haciendo un video. Estoy, what are you doing? I'm drinking coffee, like I usually am cuando estoy haciendo un video, ¿no? Estoy tomando café. I'm learning. Say, estoy aprendiendo español. Estoy. Estoy. What else? What are you doing? Estoy. It's going to end in ando or yendo. Did you notice? That's the ing. I'm doing this, right? So estoy. Da da da. I'm working. Estoy trabajando. Estoy escuchando música. Estoy viendo una película. No, estoy practicando el español. Estoy estudiando. Estoy hablando. Again, ChatGPT. It's 3 questions, but they're golden questions. It gets boring to tell, oh, my name is Tony. I know your name. But everything here, it's dynamic. Is that the word for it? It changes. It's always changing. What's going on? Speaking of that, can you think of other questions that are golden? How's the weather? It's always changing. What's happening? How do you feel? What do you see? There's a lot, I guess, right? Some things kind of stay the same. What do you like to do for fun? That's kind of static, no, kind of general. But what's going on? I recommend golden questions. You can generate these yourself. You're not here to study the language. Everyone obsesses. You don't. It's like learning to play chess. You don't read the rule book for 10 years. The grammar of a language, you can get it through 20 sentences. Give me 20 sentences and you go, okay, that's how the grammar works in that language. For that small sample set, it's like taking a little sample of the soil, being like, oh, okay, it's only that wide, but I see all the possibilities. Okay, that's what we're looking for here. Is okay. What questions are golden? These 3, super solid. How are you? Where are you? What are you doing? You should be able to answer those questions every time. Every time I say, ¿Cómo estás? You say, bien, bien. ¿Dónde estás ahora? Oh, man, I'm on a plane right now. Estoy en un avión. Where are you going? That's a golden question. ¿A dónde vas? Oh, man, I'm going to Mexico. Estoy en camino. Voy en camino. I don't know. All right. So that's that lesson. Let me know if you have any questions. There's a little feedback box there. You can let me know. I'm going to keep doing more. We'll keep doing more lessons. You should be able to know everything there is to know about Spanish. You should be able to teach yourself everything you need to know about Spanish through this template. ¿Está bien? Muy bien. Hasta luego.